Channel 4 still, Channel 3 still down, dang it.
Where portions green, including the following areas: Central and Southern Somerset, Franklin, Oxford.
Alright, let me get that one FM station.
Including the following areas: Northern Carroll, Colbus, Grafton, Wren, from late Thursday night to Friday afternoon. Apex, heavy rainfall along with warm temperatures will cause rapid melting of the snow from the city.
No?
This will increase the runoff into streams and rivers.
Nope. Oh, wait.
Will support the potential for flash flooding as well as river flooding. Disruption to travel is likely on Friday.
Okay, got those.
Here is the recreation forecast for the summit of Mount Mountain.
Alright, I'm gonna count that. That's probably just went off late.
Isolated showers late this morning. A slight chance of thunderstorms. Scattered showers this afternoon. Highs in the mid-50s. South winds up to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Tonight, summits in the middle clouds in the evening. No summit becoming more secure. Scattered showers in the evening.
It didn't go off, I'm surprised.
Lows in the lower 40s. Light and variable winds.